Hello, I would like to show you what to expect when you renting tour guide systems from us. Today example is the set for the event which run with two languages. So we provide a set of 23 receivers, but because it's two languages, it's going to be the two groups. So one group is one transmitter and 16 receivers, and they're going to use for English language, and the same time they're going to use for the group who is not speak English, and this group has their own transmitter for the interpreter, and listeners, they're going to have these receivers. It's currently 7 of them. So you've got this bag. It's quite easy to carry. You can use these handles. You can use it as a backpack, and also you can use this strap. And a part of the main part of the bag, you've got here set of spare batteries, and each transmitter, this is transmitter, this is transmitter. Each transmitter normally we supply with 2 microphones. So the most popular microphone is this one, is clip-on. So everyone loves it. But sometimes people prefer over-the-head microphones, so we supply them as well. So as we have here 2 transmitters, we supply 4 microphones for the customer to choose which one is more comfortable to use. And as I said, spare batteries. You normally don't need them because the new batteries, they run for 2 or 3 weeks. So this is very important that you don't need to recharge the systems if you need them for 1 week, for example. To switch it on, you need to press and hold this red button here. So now it's on, and this set, this one, is currently use channel number 8. So if you see channel number 8, this is transmitter, this is the microphone goes here, and this is receiver, headphones goes there. I'll show you headphones later on. So this is for the volume. Each member of the group can choose the volume, the comfortable one. And this wheel is also for the volume, but you have to use it if you would like to mute yourself. So if you are a tour guide or interpreter or the speaker, you need to know that if you just remove the microphone jack from this, the listeners, they still would be able to hear you because there is internal microphone here, you see? So they still can listen you. If you would like to mute yourself, what you need to do is to use this wheel and turn it until the bulb here, green one, start flashing. So when it's flashing, it means that the listeners cannot hear you right now. But once you're ready to talk again, don't forget to put this wheel back on maximum, because the volume here should be always on maximum, because the people in your group can adjust the volume here. So if you use the set where actually 2 sets together, so they should be preset to different channels. Like this one is number 8. So number 8, this is transmitter. It transmits the voice to all receivers which are connected to channel number 8. So they connect to each other. So this set for another language, it's set to channel number 1. You see, it's number 1. And all of these transmitters for the another language is set to channel number 1. So it means that this transmitter is not connected to this receiver, and this transmitter is not connected to this receiver. So they are in a group. They are different groups, so they can't listen each other. It's very important. And one more thing, if you go to like British Museum or any other big museums, sometimes you've got the similar group using similar devices, similar channels. If you have any difficulties with hearing, any problems, it means that you need to change the channel. To be able to do so, what you need to do is to take your transmitter, and you need to remove this lock. Because when it's here, you can't change the channel. It's locked. So to be able to remove it, you need to press and hold these two buttons, and then you can change like number 16, let's say. And after that, all of the receivers automatically to change to number 16, but not another group, because this is different connections, so they connect to each other. If you change the channels here, the channels there will be changed automatically, but they're not connected to this group. So let's return it back to number 8. So now it's returned to number 8. If you want to, adjust, for example, you would like to add this receiver to this group. So what you need to do is change the channel manually. Again, press and hold this button, remove the lock, and use number 8, channel number 8, and then this receiver in part of this group, so is not anymore connected to this transmitter. We'll bring it back to number 1. So the batteries are here if you need to change them. And one more thing I need to show you, headphones. So headphones are here, and so I can use my separate ones. So they're like very easy. You just connect it here to receiver, and this is how they look like. So it goes to your ear. And yes, you've got here always the spare one, in case if one of the headphone fail. Thank you so much for your attention, and if you have any question, please let us know. Thank you.